Have you ever wondered how some of these content creators create thumbnails for their videos? You go to their channel and you see thumbnails with all different types of expressions like this or like this. And you wonder, how do they do that? Well, they use AI. That's how they do it. Today, we're going to create our own thumbnail generator using Google AI Studio. Let's get into it. All right, we're in Google AI Studio. Going to click build. Here's our prompt. This will be in the description, so no need to squint or stress too hard. Basically, we're telling it to build a React Tailwind type app. Flow's going to be pretty simple, where we start with a video idea. We want it to be able to generate some ideas for us for our thumbnail. And then we want to be able to upload reference image. I put in just a couple things on look and feel. I want to be able to create some happy, sad faces for my character, a way to apply styles to my image before I generate them, just for some fun things like Minecraft or hyper realistic, just so I can have some variations to choose from. I also want it to use the 16:9 aspect ratio, which works for thumbnails, so that I can download and upload straight into YouTube Studio. Let's go. Okay, it is done. I'm going to switch over to full screen. I'm going to type in a title here. Colors, don't get too hung up on that. I kind of asked for that color, so I know what I was getting into, but you can reprompt that to your liking. So we're going to generate some titles for a thumbnail. Cool. These are kind of long, to be honest with you, but I'm going to have it generate some more. I think those are kind of long. Okay, stop making bad thumbnails. Perfect. Who doesn't like that? Got an upload button. I'm browsing to my hard drive. You may not see that on the screen, and I'm going to leave it at hyper realistic for now. But it looks like when I click on this, I've got some options here. And again, you could change that to whatever you want. Okay, cool. Stop making bad thumbnails. This AI generator changes everything. I dig it. I'm going to click through some of these other styles just to see what they look like. Okay, so I clicked a few of these. We've got the Minecraft, we've got the GTA, and this was just the comic style and just the hyper realistic. So those all look pretty good. I'm going to try and change it up and see if we can make him, let's say, holding an iPhone. And I'm going to change this to give it a different title. And we're going to change that back to hyper realistic and see what happens. Okay, that's not bad. So what I'm going to do is upload my robot character, and I'm going to take that out, and I'm going to generate. And again, this is just for myself, just so I can see. I like the little robot mascot. Let's check it out. Okay, that's cool. I dig that. So it looks like this actually gave me a little save button here, as well as a download and a trash, which is very, very cool. Because this reloads every time, I'm going to download these so I can save those, because I'm definitely going to use them. So our goal was to try and create a thumbnail generator. I think we did that. We've got a good core, so in case we do want to add more features, we can certainly do that. I was taking inspiration for this video by being able to recreate thumbnails like these for my own videos, and I think we got pretty close. But let me know what you think. See you next time.